to my channel. So today is a smoked out wing liner day. I love to wear this look. It is not so dramatic. I just didn't actually use eyeliner. It is more eyeshadows, and I used the good old-fashioned tape on my face, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And if you want to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I already did one eye off camera, and I already primed this eye using the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in the shade NC35 and applied some translucent powder over it. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and let's do this. Okay, so first I am going to use some medical tape. This is not duct tape, so it's not really harmful for your skin. And to be honest, oh, I just lost a nail. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, it's not so harmful because it's a little bit more softer. So I'm just gonna take a piece of this. Okay, so I actually, oh, this is so ugly. And I already lost this one. Anyway, I want this to be as even as possible, so I think that's even. Okay, so I'm going to start using this shade here, that shade, that one, and that one for like the transition colors and to build up the color. And then I'm going to use this one here. And then I am going to use this dark brown chocolate shade and eventually the black one. But I will link every product in the right order in the description box. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first color, I'm actually doing what I always do, is using my Sigma E40 and warming up my crease. So I'm going back and forward. Let's get into the second shade. This one is like the yellow, looks like mustard shade. And I'm applying this one also in my crease. And I'm taking it a little bit further, like almost until my brow, till here. So when you take off the tape, you have like this nice, you know, transition of eyeshadow on this side. So that's why I'm doing it. Going in with shade number 3. And I'm taking this shade a little bit lower, just a tiny bit. Okay, so now I'm going to use the MAC 221 brush and this brown warm shade, and I'm going to blend this into my lower crease, but just a little bit. I don't want this shade to be extremely red, and just blending it mostly on the outer part of my eye. Going back in with the Sigma E40. And there was no additional product on this brush, so just blending it like so. That's about enough. With that same brush, I'm going to use this chocolate shade, and I'm going to apply this on that area where I normally would apply my wing eyeliner. So at the end of my eyes, a little bit on my eyelid, just a tiny amount. Because I am going in with black, so I need a darker color before the black, because otherwise it's a pain in the ass to blend it out. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I hate blending out black eyeshadow. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. But since this is a smoked out wing liner, it calls for black. So I'm not taking it all the way in, I'm taking it like right under my arch, like, and then I stop right here. I hope that everything I'm saying, it makes sense. I have no idea. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite color, not the black one. I am taking a pencil brush. This is a pencil brush. It doesn't have a brand on it, it's just a pencil brush. Doesn't really matter. I'm taking the black one, tapping off the excess, and then I am going to apply this first on the winged eyeliner area. You know where that is, right? And then taking it a little bit onto my eyelid. And I'm really gonna take it all the way until here, because here the black stops. So I want that to be the same on the other part of my eye. So I'm just building up this color little by little. And then I'm switching brushes, and I'm going in with the Sigma E36 blending brush, and I'm going to blend this black eyeshadow. This is a very tiny blending brush, also one of my favorites. And I'm using that to blend out the black. And don't worry if it looks like a mess, even when you take off the tape, because there are so many ways where you can fix any mistakes you made. The most important reason for that is that you don't have concealer. Well, at least I don't. When I do this, I never have concealer or foundation on my face, so it doesn't really matter. I think we're good. We're going to remove the tape. And as you can tell, there is a gap here. Do you see that? Like right here. And on this side, I don't have that because there is black, so I'm going to take that E36 brush and blending the black a little bit more upwards, so there is no gap or whatever, you know. Okay, so now for my eyelid, like the other part of my eyelid, I am going to use this shade by Sigma. This is their warm palette, and the shade is called Balanced. And I'm taking this MAC 242 brush and applying this mainly on this area. Not too much on the black, just a little bit, just to make sure that the black and this shimmery champagne shade are nicely blended, but don't overdo it. As you can tell, there is a lot of fallout here. You can see the print of that duct tape, so I'm taking this Q-tip and some eye makeup remover, and I'm going to clean that up. Be careful because you don't want to mess your smoked out liner. Okay, then it's time for lashes. I'm quickly going to apply lashes. These are by Hudabeauty. I don't know the name of the lashes, but they're like half lashes, so for most of the eye shapes, it's kind of a 2/3 lashes, but for me, it's just the half of my eye because I have pretty big eyes. But that's what I wanted to have because there's nothing going on here, so I'm not going to apply mascara there, just on the outer part of the eye. So the focus is on this side, and it's going to make it a little bit more elongated. So that's the look I am going for. So be right back. Okay, so full face is on. Let's now finish the eyes. Okay, so actually nothing very exciting about the eyes. I am just going to take, let's see, this dark brown shade over here that I already applied before, and this Sigma E36 brush, and I'm just applying it like underneath my lash line. It's almost black because the brush is black. Great. See, just a little bit. And then for my waterline, I am going to use this Anastasiabeverly Hills waterproof cream color in the color black, and a, what is this? So a liner brush, I think. And I am using this just because I could not find my eye kohl, like the thin line from MAC or Smolder, which I always use. And when I use gel eyeliner in my waterline, I have to take out my contacts. That's what I did. So I hope I'm in focus. I hope everything looks good because I'm not able to see. Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, so I'm first going in with my favorite liquid lipstick. This is the Hudabeauty liquid lipstick in Flirt. And of course some lip gloss, and this is Kristen by Anastasia. So yeah guys, that was the video. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you tried it out, if you have questions, or you know, you just want to tell me something. There is a comment section down below, and yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and that's it. Thank you. Okay, stop. Please don't go yet. This is so weird. No, first of all, I don't have wet hair. I have coconut oil in my hair. That's what I always do. I let it sit overnight. But I was playing with the lippy, and in the video I am wearing a nude lip, but then I changed it after I was done filming into Dance With Me, my favorite MAC liquid lipstick, and to be honest, I think it looks better. So same look, everything is the same. I didn't change a thing except for the coconut oil on my hair and the lips, but I quickly wanted to let you guys see how it looked like when you have a red lip and greasy hair. And now it's the end of the video.